guys, it's your girl Keri, and today I'm going to be sharing a quick Dollar Tree haul with you all. So I'm going to turn the camera around and get started. I picked up this You Do You Girl mug, and I thought this was adorable. My standard deodorants, I always pick up the Secret deodorant. They have these gorgeous gift tags. They were made of craft paper and stamped and outlined with red and gold foil. And I think you get 20 in a pack. So I thought those were cute. Then I picked up several of these Yes brand face masks. And these are going to be stocking stuffers for my daughters. So here's one soothing. This one is a grapefruit mask. This one is some sort of comforting mud mask. And this one is a clear skin clay mask. They have the cutest little luggage tags, and I picked these up for my niece and nephew. And this one says lug me or leave me. I thought that was super cute. And then this one said fashionably late. I think these will be cute to add with a luggage set. If you're getting luggage for Christmas, they can make cute little Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers. I picked up several packs of the Saison Goya. I picked up these curly candy canes to show you guys a recipe. Several years ago when I did a hot chocolate bar, I had reindeer floats, and I'm going to show you how to make those reindeer floats, and you will need these from the Dollar Tree. I love these frames that they have at the Dollar Tree. This one says family is everything. Let me see if I could hold it right so you can see family is everything. And these would make great gifts from the kids or grandkids if you put a picture of your grandkid and the grandparent in it, because a lot of times the kids want to give their grandparents something and they are pressed for money. So I think this would be a great sentimental gift to give the grandparents. They love pictures and things like that from their grandkids. This one says the greatest gift is family. And if you happen to be able to be with your grandparents during the Thanksgiving holidays, maybe you can take a recent picture that you took during Thanksgiving and put it in a frame and send it to a grandparent. And this one here says our family is blessed. And so that's what I plan on doing with these frames here. The children took plenty of pictures during all the activities that we did during the Thanksgiving holiday break with their grandmother. And I actually found the JJ Virgin Diet Cookbook. I found her book in Dollar Tree about a year back, and now I got the entire cookbook. And basically her premises is eliminating certain foods from your diet that are the foods that cause the most sensitivities and help you eat a little bit healthier. And then another book that I picked up was this Eating for Acid Reflux. My husband has acid reflux really, really bad. And I thought maybe looking at this would give me some ideas and recipes that could help him along with his acid reflux. I picked up several boxes of these little Tampax Radiant tampons, and I'm going to use these for some giveaways for my younger subscribers. They want period kits and things like that. So I'll be doing some giveaways with the tampons and my Tommy's leak-proof period panties. And then I also picked up some more of these utility knives because we use these a ton in our business for opening up our inventory for the period panties. And if you guys haven't seen or checked out my period panties, I'll leave the link to the website below, but they're called Tommy's. They stand for Time of the Month Panties, and they are leak-proof period panty with a pocket on the front that you can put a disposable heating pad in to help soothe cramps and stuff throughout the day. And then you can also, for the younger girls that worry about sneaking a pad to school, they can hide or put their pads in their little pocket for the entire day and be all set. I also picked up several packs of the Scotch-Brite non-scratch pads. This LA Colors Auto Eyeliner. It's kind of like the retractable kind. You twist it up. I actually use the brown one for lining my lips. Just plain old pepper. I needed some more Brillo pads. picked up this small little Nivea hand cream, and I typically don't like hand cream that you dip your hand in. I like to squeeze it out, and that's just probably my OCD germaphobe self. But I do like the flat ones for small bags or evening clutches if you're going out, because it's so compact and it takes up very little space. So I did pick it up for that, because you know you will be going out during the holiday season. I grabbed a small Ocean Spray cranberry juice, and I want to share with you how to make my favorite alcoholic beverage. I picked up these craft sticks, and these are great to make homemade popsicles and an assortment of other types of crafts, and I ran out, so I needed some more of these. Picked up these little peppermint sticks to go with hot chocolate. Picked up a pack of these mints for my husband. He likes to keep mints in his office at work on his desk, and he says he encourages everyone to take a mint before they speak to him. I said, oh my gosh, you're a mess. I love the spray bottle versions of the hydrogen peroxide and also the spray alcohol. So I picked up another bottle of this, and I also just keep a large bottle because it's, you know, more cost effective to get the giant bottles, and then I'll just refill these types. And finally, I picked up this twist tie, and I'll be using these to make our bows, to tie the center of our bows, and I'll be showing you how to make the perfect bow and wrap a perfect gift in a future video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to check out my previous video on my Hostess gift guide and Hostess gift etiquette, and also my video on post-holiday cleaning hacks. The links to both of those videos will be in the description box below, or you can tap the iCard above. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.